Hey everyone, we have a set of Ferrari 360 calipers, completely rebuilt and refinished. This customer sent them in. They were definitely showing some wear and tear. So we got brand new piston seals and dust boots for these calipers, and also have them refinished in a gloss black powder coat, which holds up way better than the factory painted finish. And we also duplicated the Ferrari logos in decal forms for the customer. So he has decals he can apply to achieve that original look back. So if you have brake calipers that need rebuild and or refinishing, you can reach out to us through our website at VisionAutoworks.com. We have a lot of photo examples and also videos of our brake caliper rebuilds, and you can get an idea of what we offer there. If you have any further questions, you can contact us by phone or email. Again, our contact information is on our website, and we look forward to getting your calipers in and getting them all situated and ready for operation for you. Thanks.